Today's video, I will be making Passionfruit Guava Mocktail. If you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. Press the notification to get notified, and all social media links along with the recipes is in the description onto the video. First thing we're going to be doing is measuring the passion fruit juice. I'm using 3/4 cup. So, 3/4 cup. It's okay if it's a hair over. And then we'll bring it up to 1 cup or a smidgen over with the guava. Then we're going to put that in our glass after we mix it and top it off with ginger ale. Now I poured it in the glass. Now I'm going to add some ginger ale to it. We're going to top it off with a little ginger ale. That's all you got to do to make it. I'll bring you around for the final view. This is what it looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You are much appreciated on my channel. Have a good day.